Okay, we've been working on pinch method, but we are building an animal with pinch method. So how we build the body is we have to divide it into sections. So earlier, I made 2 pinch bowls like this. Now, if I put these together, they don't necessarily look like the body that I'm looking for. We're making a giraffe. So I want it to be like a little bit bigger. Now, how do we make it bigger? So that's what we're gonna look at today. Now, I just drew a real rough sketch of the giraffe that we're kind of making. And that's basically how 1 pinch bowl on this side, 1 pinch bowl on this side, and then 2 sections added in between. Okay, so we have this pinch bowl and we've let it kind of get leather hard upside down so that we can maintain this curve. Otherwise it gets really flat and it kind of just looks like you've made it using the slab method, which you don't want to do for a pinch project. All right, now we need to get what basically is going to be a really big coil that's going to be able to wrap around the circumference of the pinch bowl. All right, oh, gotta store that upside down. Okay, so we roll it, and then with a sponge or with your fingers, you can just kind of start flattening it. Now you want to flatten it basically as much as 1/4 of an inch so that it will equal the thickness of the walls of your bowl. All right, in doing this, you're gonna have basically a piece of slab like this. So now we're gonna take this and score and slip it onto your bowl. Okay, so when we score and slip, I'm just gonna fast forward through this part because you guys all know how to score and slip, because whenever you connect one piece of clay to another that's of a different dryness, you're gonna definitely do this. So we're scoring up the outside, and then on here, we're gonna score the edge of this, score it up. And then after we have that done, our slip. Okay, now we take this bowl, and here's where it would be okay to put it against its curve. We take this, we wrap it around the bowl. So you make it meet, oops, like that. And you can do that thing where you cut down. Now you gotta pinch them together. So now we hold it again. Try to pinch these together. And then to make it smoother, you can use this. Clay like this and add it in. If it's having a hard time smoothing out, just add a little extra clay, blend it in. Take a deep breath. This is fun. So basically, you're just working on combining the 2 sections together. See that crack there? Let's get rid of that. Score, add a little slip right there, and a little piece of clay. Crack's gone. Inside, and take a sponge, smooth the inside. Smooth the outside. Smooth everything. Smooth everything. The smoother it is, the more well constructed it is. Later, you're gonna add texture. You're gonna have carving, but at least it will have a clean canvas to put it on.